Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the security alarm system in the NSX. The reason why I'm making this video is that throughout the time that I've owned a car, on the internet and on forums, I've heard people asking questions of how does the security system work and also how to troubleshoot it. So in this video, we're going to tell you how the system works and we're also going to give you some tips how to troubleshoot it. So let's go ahead and start with the description of the system. So let's give you the description of the security alarm system directly from the service manual. This system is activated automatically 15 seconds after everything has been closed and locked. The security alarm system indicator light located on the driver's side door trim panel will flash after the doors are properly locked. If any of the following conditions occur, the horns will sound, the headlights will pop up and flash, and the side marker lights, position lights, and tail lights will flash for about 2 minutes or until the system is disarmed by unlocking either the door from the outside key lock with the key. So let me show you where the switches for the security alarm system are as far as the open and close mechanisms. So the two doors, the driver's side and the passenger side, both have switches for the alarm system. The hood as well. The engine trunk lid area has one as well, and the trunk has a switch as well. All those are contacts of either open or closed that tell the security system what position they are in. Now let's show you and look in detail the main components of the security system. Behind his glove box is going to be the brains of the security system. Over here is the horn for the security system. And over here, you're going to have your two horns, and they work in conjunction with the security system as well, but they are underneath the front bumper. You're going to have your relays and your fuses that also are important and integrated with the security system in this area as well, also with your battery down there. So here in the cockpit, we're going to have the starter cut relay. We're also going to have the starter cut integration with the ignition switch. So pretty much some wiring and some relays in here. And we're also going to have the headlight retractor unit in the back of the vehicle, which will pop up the headlights when the alarm is activated. So let's go ahead and give you an example. I'm going to go ahead and lock the car. And as you see, the security light is on, and within 15 seconds, the security light is going to go from blinking at this interval to a slower pace interval to let you know that the system has been fully armed. There it is. You see the interval has changed in the light. Now the system is armed. You can also activate the security system with the key. And as you see, the light has activated. Within a few seconds, the interval will change and the system will be armed. Now let's talk about some troubleshooting tips for the security system. Real quickly, I highly advise to get the service manual because they have a great troubleshooting tree and give you nice pictures and instructions how to troubleshoot almost every component. But I'm going to show you real quickly some of the few steps you could take to troubleshoot the system. If any of the contacts in the car, the doors, the trunk, the engine, the hood, if they're not properly closed, the alarm system will not activate. So if you're trying to troubleshoot door sensors and if they're registering, this little area, which we'll consider it the security panel, this will tell you if a door is open. And essentially, let's go ahead and show you, it does do a bit check. As you can see, we have the front door, the back door, and we had the engine bay and the trunk. The only one that it does not show is the hood, I believe. So essentially, that is a good way to test to see if those switches are working that tells the security panel if it's open or closed. And essentially, if they're telling the security panel that, they'll most likely be telling the security control system as well. So I did want to confirm, when you open up the hood in the security panel, there is not a light there. But I'm gonna go ahead and open up the engine bay cover so you could see. And as you saw, the light did activate. So there was a technical service bulletin for contacts in general where they were corroded. So that's one of the things you guys should be aware of in case you're having an issue with your alarm system, to check those contacts. So one of the steps we're going to take right now is we're going to be testing if you lock the vehicle and if you open it from the inside, will the alarm deactivate or will it set off? So we're going to use the internal door handle. Here we go. Well, first off, it doesn't open with the handle, but if we press the button, so as you saw, if you try to open the door from the inside while the security system is activated, the alarm will go off. So if you press the button from the inside to unlock it, the alarm will go off. If somebody presses this trunk open button while the alarm is set, the alarm will activate. If you want to troubleshoot the alarm and see if it will activate, simply go ahead and close all your doors, and what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the switch to mimic if the hood is down. And at that point in time, you go ahead and lock the vehicle, and I'm not going to do this because the alarm will go off on my vehicle, and then once the vehicle is armed, if you let go of this, the alarm should go off. There are at least 4 fuses that could affect the operation of the security system. I highly recommend you get the service manual so you can make sure you know which ones they are and make sure you could check those. Well, I hope everyone learned something. This was informative for myself as well. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. In my opinion, the best security system for an NSX is the garage. Don't park it anywhere overnight outside. And also, I use what they call a supplemental device. I made a video about it. People kind of make fun of it, but it's this system that you just put over it. If anything, it just makes it harder for anyone trying to steal anything. But anyways, guys, hope you guys learned something. Leave any comments below if you think I missed something or I need to be corrected in something. You know, you guys are always keeping me straight. Anyways, guys, you stay safe and we'll talk to you soon.